Hey, if you aren't doing anything at this current moment, let me tell you about the rumblings we've recently heard about another company that should definitely do a community round for their peeps at some point. Know who it is? Figma. Connecting everyone in the design process so teams can deliver better products faster. And why should you petition? Because they cover all of the bases, from brainstorming where you can diagram, sticky note, and workshop in FigJam, their online whiteboard for you and your team to brainstorm in the open, really slapping the bass in that design jam session. And then speaking of design, you can put FigJam and Figma Live side by side, so all design work from ideation to execution can be found in one place. Also, by joining the community and becoming a Figmate, you can learn from others, share your work, and extend your tool set with a diverse group of designers, plugin creators, researchers, illustrators, content writers, and many more from around the world. All they do is give and make sure we're more equipped while we're out here designing our futures. All pun intended. And you know what else they're giving you? A freaking conference! Config, March 10th to the 11th, which is just around the river bend. For 24 hours, we're going to be getting Figgy with it. And if you can't make it, they'll drop the video recording online at some point. Or you can hit me up and I'll burn you a DVD. Probably not. So sign up, become a Figmate, get yourself well versed in the art of Figonometry, reserve you a seat or while supplies last DVD at Config, and then petition them to do a community round for yourself and all of the other Figmates around the world. Side note to keep our regular tours happen, because they be tripping. I'm required to remind you that WeFunder does not endorse any company or recommend investing in them. Should always put on your big person pants and do your own research before investing. Big pants. WeFunder, baby. Home of the community round.